died for a few days, and then I'm like, okay, hopefully all the germs have died. You can have it back. It just sits there because it's going to get washed, and it never actually does. Is he gonna take it back? Is the question.
She might hand it to him.
I love the little coral coming up.
They always pick the same things here. It's hilarious.
He's probably spent a lot more time around little kids than she has.
Oh, really, actually. It's amazing
Yeah,
how little I
with
see my
all the
sister.
cousins.
Mm-hmm.
Well, and you guys were all over the place between going south and then you were going to Maine. Or
Yeah,
no, was it in Maine where your nephew visited?
Rhode Island.
That was in Rhode Island.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, that was a horrible trip.
Well, especially, I didn't know you were pregnant when you were talking about all the traveling you've been doing, but oh my goodness.
I know, I really had to fight. Like, we got back from Alabama, I was like, there's no way I'm going to this graduation.
Yeah.
And I got suckered into it.
Yeah.
And then I had to hold him the entire weekend.
Oh no? Was he just really bashful?
Yeah. Not one person in my family could hold him. He would cry hysterically
Wow.
all the time.
Yeah. He's
So
done that.
overwhelming. And then without Peter there,
Oh, I'm sure. I can't imagine.
Christina finally was like, I'll just take him for a walk. He'll be fine. And she came back, he is stubborn. And I was like, yeah. He screamed the whole time. Even when he finally went to sleep, he would wake up and be like,
oh, poor thing.
I mean, he loves the stroller all the time. And even when my sister was going to take him out, I was like, you should lock the stroller. He was looking all freaked out when he saw
That
she was
wasn't
like
you.
pushing. So I had to start pushing her. And then she took off.
Oh, jeez.
And
Wow.
finally we took her back. My mom couldn't get over it. She was like, she always thinks she can stop everybody. So she was like, let me have him. I took him outside and showed him pine cones, which I couldn't believe, and distracted him. He was just
Too much, yeah. You are so goofy.